your boy Angel the Mogul. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I know y'all read the title, man. Yeah, I copped a new laptop. I dropped a little light 1800. You know what I'm saying? I got me the Omen by HP 17.3. You know, the boy Angel the Mogul, I ain't cheap. I told y'all I don't take no shortcuts. But I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting right here, man. We gonna unbox it. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. So here we got it. We got the Omen. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? Everything looking fancy. You know what I'm saying? When you spending that type of bread, you know they gotta give it to you in a box like this. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. What we got right here? Oh, look like the little, you know what I'm saying? Got adapters and stuff so you can plug it in. Another power plug right there. Here we go, my baby right here. Yeesh. Yeah. Little manual. Yeah, man, so this is it right here. It's quite heavy but you know, it's a gaming laptop, you know what I'm saying? It's not supposed to be mobile or nothing like that. It's good, you probably could take it with you, but it's really meant, you know what I'm saying, for the money that you're paying. You're supposed to be gaming, live streaming, video editing, Photoshop, etc. So, trying to be real careful because, you know, this HP Omen is sexy, I ain't even gonna lie to you. But it looked like you can't leave this on, you gotta take it off. Yeah, man, so here we go, we got it. Look at that, let me flex. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibes, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Let's see, you know when you cop the whip, let's see if it turn on. So this looks like this might be the power button, let's see. Let's get that. Ooh, look, oh. Yeah, boy. Zoom in, let's get that, babe. Yeah, let's get that. You see the vibes? You see the vibes, see the colors right there, it's loading up. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, I set up my credentials. And you can see right there, you see the laptop. Got the Olympic colors, you know what I'm saying? It's official. So this is what I think about the HP Omen so far. I feel like it's worth the bread. Like, you gotta go big or go home. You can't take shortcuts, especially when you plan on streaming, uploading content using Photoshop, etc. And it comes with an i7 processor. It comes with 16 gigabyte RAM. 16 gigabyte RAM is good. Like, that's official. You got 16 gigabyte RAM, you good money. It has 512 gigabyte SSD. So basically you getting all the top of the line. Like, there's no shortcuts. There's no cheap components put into this laptop. You know what I'm saying? So when you pay the 1800 or 1500, if you can get it for a little bit cheaper, you're getting the top of the line. You know what I mean? You're not gonna get no freeze. You're not gonna, you know, your computer ain't gonna freeze up while you streaming. It's mobile. So that way, if you gotta take it somewhere, if it's a circumstance like that, and you gotta go somewhere, like let's say a tournament, or you just gotta take it with you if you're out of town, or you know what I mean? You could take it with you so that way you'll be able to stream or, you know, do some content, edit while you're on vacation, and etc. So that concludes this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Can't say it enough. ATM, get the money. I'm out.
Maxo.